In a world obsessed with the new and the polished, we often forget that the most valuable objects are those that carry a history. A cracked vase or a scarred wooden table is not a broken thing to be discarded. Those marks are physical evidence that the object has endured the passage of time. Our lives follow the same principle. Do not be in a rush to hide your flaws or erase painful memories. Something that has been broken and then put back together often possesses a strength and character that something pristine can never understand. Observe the fading ink on a yellowed manuscript. The words may be difficult to read, but their meaning has grown deeper because they have survived their generation. We spend too much energy trying to appear perfect on the surface, yet true beauty lies in honest imperfection. The dust settled on old books is not a sign of neglect. It is a sign of maturity. To value what is old is to learn how to value ourselves as we age, when our hair turns grey and our pace begins to slow. There is dignity in the wearing down of things. Many feel defeated when their plans fail, or when they feel broken by circumstance. However, in the mechanics of life, the broken part is often the turning point for a greater understanding. An old watch that has stopped ticking may no longer tell the time, but it reminds us that time itself is a finite and precious resource. Failure and damage are part of the human design. Without them, we would never learn how to repair, how to endure, and how to truly appreciate what we still have left. In the end, we must realize that a person's worth is not defined by how smooth their journey was, but by how much dust and ink they have gathered along the way. Your scars are medals of honor. Your brokenness is a form of art. Do not fear growing old. Do not fear fading. And do not fear the parts of yourself that once shattered. Because it is within those broken things that we find the truths that cannot be found in anything brand new.